Welcome to this tutorial on connecting your Microsoft Mailbox to ZenInbox. Follow these simple steps to get started. Access the Mailbox settings first. Navigate to the Mailbox section from the sidebar. In the top right corner, click on Add Mailboxes, and then select Add Manual to proceed. You'll see options for Gmail, Outlook, and IMAP SMTP. Click on the Microsoft Outlook icon, and then click the Next button to continue. Select your Microsoft account. You will be prompted to sign into your Microsoft account. Choose the mailbox you want to connect from the available accounts or sign into your account if it isn't listed. Once the permissions are granted, the mailbox connection process will complete, and you'll see a success message. Your mailbox details and the provider's image will now appear in the ZenInbox interface. Explore features. With your Microsoft Mailbox connected, you can now perform all email-related activities directly within ZenInbox, such as sending and receiving emails, archiving and snoozing messages, marking emails as priority or spam. ZenInbox makes managing your Microsoft Mailbox efficient and hassle-free. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your enhanced email experience with ZenInbox.